Hey everyone, this is Jamie, and today I want to walk you through using the LCUSD Prescreen Form for our TK-2 students. You're going to want to start by using your phone or your computer's fine. I'm using my iPhone. I'm going to go to Safari, and then I'm going to type in a URL. You can enter bit.ly and then / LCE prescreen, PCR prescreen, or PCY prescreen. That'll take you to the designated form for your school site. Once you do that, hit enter. You're going to land on a form. Confirm that you're on the right one. This is for LCE. I'm going to start by entering my email address. This part is super important. Please make sure you enter this incorrectly. You are going to get a confirmation. Then type in your student first name, last name, and choose the grade level. Hit next. Then you're going to be asked a series of questions. The first one is about symptoms. We want to know about fever, sore throat, coughing, difficulty breathing, new pain. Next, we want to know about a close contact. Answer yes or no. And finally, question about past fever and answer yes or no. If you answered no to all three, you're going to get this page that says head to school, and then you're going to submit. If you have another student, this is where you would hit submit another response and you'll be able to fill it out again. I'm only doing one, so then I'm going to head over to my email and wait for the email confirmation to arrive. And this is what I'm going to show the check-in team at the school. I'm going to refresh. It usually just takes a few seconds for it to appear. Great, there it is, pre-screen at lcusd.net with my clearance for Luke. Notice it has the date and time. This is what you're going to show the check-in team: name, grade, time, symptoms. Again, if you have to fill it out for another student, just go back to your web browser, hit submit another response, do it one more time, and you'll get another email for that other child. I also wanted to show you how to save this on your phone if you wanted to access this a little bit easier each day. So you'll go back to Safari. I'm on my iPhone. I'm going to click at the bottom the little rectangle with the up arrow. It's going to take me to this. It's the share button. I'm going to choose add to home screen. When I click add, I will have this new purple icon. If you have an Android phone, you can click on the three dots and then also find the add to home screen button. And that's it. Thank you so much for your time. Have an awesome day, everyone.